and welcome back to my channel. So I thought it's about blooming time that I started unboxing a few of the things from my massive Makeup Revolution haul. I don't know if I meant to call it my Makeup Revolution or Revolution Beauty, but anyway, Revolution. So yeah, I've got a huge haul. I'll pop a little card up here if you want to go and have a look at that. Got an amazing deal. So I just thought the first thing I'm going to unbox is something that I can just start to use with everything else really. And I'm going to have a look at these. So it is the brush set and it is the, Ultimate Nudes 2018 limited edition makeup brushes. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 brushes and a sponge. So just having a little look on the website, it is they're currently for sale as £20. The RRP is £50. And for those of you that don't know, I got them for £4 because I am jammy. So there's a really good selection of brushes. What it says is our brand new Ultimate Nudes 2018 palette made of our finest synthetic soft hair for flawless and seamless makeup application. This brush collection offers a mix of face and eye brushes to complete any makeup look. With our nude brush handle design and pink brush hair, these will look amazing in your makeup collection. This collection contains, and it goes on to tell you what the brushes are. So yes, let's have a little look. So this is the back of the package. So it tells you there, and it sort of lists what all the brushes are for, and it's got the name on the front as well of all the different brush types. So I'm going to get in. And first things first, they do look, you can see them a bit better now they're out of the plastic. They look really, really pretty. So first things first, ooh, we've got, this feels really weird. So it is the Revolution Silicone Sponge Teardrop Limited Edition. Now, do you know what? I've been dissing these a bit, but I've never actually tried one to put my foundation on. So I am going to have a go, and it's glittery, because that matters, but it does. It says on the website about the sponge. So it says, where are we? There we go. Amazing tool for applying liquid and cream products without any product waste. Easy. It says easy to quick to clean. It probably means that it's easy to clean. Easy and quick to clean. So yeah, I'll give it a go. I am skeptical, but you know, well, we'll see. If I don't try it, then don't know. But it's much squishier than what I thought. It feels like a Haribo sweet. Don't eat them. So the first thing on this list is the Pro HD powder brush. So let's get that one out. So this is the brush. It is, oh, it's beautiful. It feels really, really soft. So it's got this beautiful sort of nude coloured handle with rose gold, what would you call that bit? Rose gold trim, white bristles, which are like cerise pink tipped. Look at those. It is beautiful. So it's got the on the handle it says so it's got your Revolution on the handle, and then on this bit here it says limited edition. The only bad thing I would say so far on first looks at it, first impressions, it doesn't actually say the name of the type of brush that it is. So it doesn't say on there that it is a powder brush. And that's a shame really, but I really, really like the look of it. It feels lovely. Can't wait to get using it. So yes, excellent. Next brush that it says is the Pro HD Contour Brush, which is this one here. So I guess you can see it's like an angled head. And so for that one, it says, oh sorry, for the powder brush, so for this one, it says perfect for setting your makeup, applying bronzer and blush. So that's for the HD powder brush. So for the contour brush, it says an angled brush designed to lay down product in the hollows of your cheeks for defined contouring. So again, this is actually a lot more, it is really soft, a lot more mobile, if that makes sense, than the powder brush. So it's not as densely packed. It is so soft, it feels beautiful. So yes, so there's that one. Next brush that it mentions is the Pro HD Flat Blending Brush. So here we go again, just the same handle, limited edition, and nice soft bristles. And it says for this one, it says this brush can be used for applying powder bronzer, blush and highlight, as well as creams and liquids such as foundation and concealer. Oh, so actually, yeah, when you're stippling, it feels much firmer then, but it's still got a bit of movement. Hasn't got as much movement as the shaped contour, but yes, this one, so you suppose you can do your brusher, foundation. We'll have a go and see, but yes, there we are. So HD Prime and Correct brush. So here we go. So this is a flatter brush. It's got tapered bristles. Again, really soft, but a little bit more dense. It's just shed a hair then. So it says the perfect brush, here comes Ruby, it should be the perfect brush for applying your primer, colour corrector, concealer with foundation for a flawless base. So I suppose if you wanted to do under your eyes, or just put your highlight on and your little bits. So yeah, it's a nice shaped brush. I like the fact that it's tapered. Fabulous. So next we have got the Pro HD Conceal Brush. So this is a lot smaller. Got quite long bristles really, because it's quite a narrow brush. Some tapering again. Fairly dense. And so for this one it says a precise face brush for spot concealing and applying concealer and cream contour to smaller areas of the face. So this one again, I suppose you could set your eyeshadow base with it maybe. This might be a bit easier for under your eyes. So yeah, nice looking brush. I'm really keen to start using these, and then it's fair enough just looking at them, but until you're actually using them and seeing how they lay down product, it's you can't really tell properly. The next brush is the Pro HD Round Eyeshadow Brush, and so this is it here. So it gives you an idea of the size, and again, as it says, it's round, short bristles, soft but quite dense. I think that'd be quite good for keeping your product together. Let's have a look and see what it says. So perfect for applying crease colours and defining eye shape. So yeah, it's, as you can see, it's not too big, and that'd be a lovely brush just to fit in your crease. Fantastic. Next thing is the HD flat eyeshadow brush. And where are we? We're nearly there, guys. So it's very short little bristles, same design as the others. And so on the website it says the ultimate brush for applying eyeshadow to the eye. So there we go. This will be quite good for doing your lid colour, I think, or packing on into the outer V before blending out, maybe with the round brush. So fabulous. I'm trying to work out, they're not wood, I think these handles are plastic, I think. Pretty sure they're plastic. Next brush we need is the fine eyeshadow brush. Oh, and it is. So that's a nice small head, you can see there. Really, really lovely looking brush there. These are all really a nice variety of brushes. For 9 brushes, you've got a good cross section of brushes. So this one perfect for fine detailing and application. So again, I mean, you could put the colour on your lower lid if you want just tiny little extra bits, or maybe in the corner highlight. That'd be perfect for that. Yeah, and it feels like it'd be quite precise. It doesn't feel like it's splaying about. So lovely. And I've just got one more brush, and it is the angled eyebrow brush. So there we go, just your little chiseled brush. Oh, it feels nice and firm. I think I need to start doing my brows. I don't do them, but if I did, I would think that this would be quite a nice brush. It feels soft on the skin, but it feels firm, that it wouldn't be splodging about. It feels like it'd be quite precise. I tend to use these as well to put powder things up against the lash line, you know, if I wanted to do that. So that is all of your brushes. What does it say for this one? It says, so this angled brush is perfect for applying brow pomade, powder, wax and gel to your eyebrows. So I will try it, I really will. So these are all the brushes. So I think that is a really, really, really lovely collection. So we've got like your bigger face brushes, and then here, and then your eye brushes, concealer brushes and things there. So, and not forgetting our sponge. So there we go. So keep your eyes peeled. I'm going to be using these. You might start seeing them popping up in my videos and things, and I want to use them for a few weeks really and see how they compare to my other brushes, and I shall do a follow-up video and let you know what I thought of them. So yeah, so first box is undone. Now I can start to use them and then start getting all my other eyeshadow boxes undone and get cracking. So I hope you found this useful. Have you got any of these? What are your favourite brushes? I haven't had any new brushes in forever. I mean, I've had the odd couple of Spectrum ones from beauty boxes, but the brushes that I sort of currently use, I got ages ago on eBay, and they were really good actually. Well, they don't shed or anything, and I don't even know what make they were. I need to look back on my old account and see if I can find them, but it's been forever and a day since I bought any brushes, and I keep sort of thinking about getting some Sigmas or Morphe ones, and I haven't. But anyway, so this is my first new set in many a year, so I'm keen to try them out. So I will review back, let you know if they molt at all, if they're easy to use, if the products apply nicely. I'll let you know what they're like to clean, and you know whether I'm having any issues with them. So yeah, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to sort of follow me and see what else I do. So take care and catch you again soon. Bye.